1 week after the trial for a woman charged in the death of her boyfriend began, jury deliberations are now underway. Danielle Allen is charged with manslaughter for the 2016 death of her boyfriend, Marcus Postel. Police say he was stabbed to death in Allen's apartment in the town of York in Livingston County. Jean McBride has been following the trial, and she has more tonight from court. Jeannie?
Maureen, the jury just finished up listening to readbacks from the original 911 call and testimonies from police and EMS personnel that responded to that 911 call back on that night in November 2016. Now we wait for the verdict. As the prosecution and the defense gave their final arguments, they told the jury it all comes down to evidence. Evidence which showed that the victim was stabbed in the center of his chest with a foot-long kitchen knife at Allen's apartment in York. Blood from both victims was found on the love seat, specifically 2 cushions, the carpet, and bathroom. The defense went first, saying it was self-defense. They claimed that Allen and Postel were watching a movie and taking shots of alcohol when they got into a physical altercation. The defense claims Postel threw Allen against the wall and choked her when Allen, fearing for her life, grabbed a knife and stabbed him. Up next, the prosecution, which argued that Allen and Postel got into a verbal argument. The Livingston County DA claims Postel tried to leave the apartment, but Allen didn't let him. The prosecution says Allen, in a drunken rage, recklessly grabbed a knife and stabbed Postel. Both sides argued about the placement of the blood and DNA of both Allen and the victim. Allen's left hand was cut by the knife, and the victim's blood was found in her hair. Allen is the one who called 911, but the DA says there are inconsistencies with her story. On November 21st, 2016, she told police she didn't know what happened. But when she took the stand last week, she said Postel tried to kill her. Now, the judge recently announced that the jury can only meet until 6:30 tonight, and if a verdict is not reached, they will be back here tomorrow. Also, this is unrelated, but we were told by someone from the court that the court here is on lockdown. There was a serious incident on Main Street. Again, we don't have a ton of details right now, but once we know, we will let you know. Adam, back to you.
All right, Jeannie McBride, thank you.
The jury could find Allen guilty of manslaughter, or she could be found guilty of a lesser penalty. Again,